Hey guys, welcome to the channel Lifestyle Tech. So today in this video we're gonna talk about the new product which has been recently launched by the brand name Mivi. Yes, so Mivi has launched the Mivi Roam 2, and basically this is a compact Bluetooth speaker which is priced at ₹1000 rupees. Now this was recently launched at Flipkart and I have got it through Flipkart, and we're gonna see the unboxing of this and I'm gonna talk about my first impression about this product. So let's start this video, and if you're new to this channel, please do consider subscribing to my channel and give a thumbs up if you like my video. So like I have told you, I have got this from Flipkart and this is the packaging in front of you. Now let's open up and let's see what is there inside the box. Also guys, the price of this device is ₹999, which is really good for this kind of product. So guys, in the front you can see the Mivi logo and the design, and it's mentioned here as Roam 2 Bluetooth speaker. Also you can see here 3 points which is mentioned here, like 5 watts of HD sound, 24 hours of playtime, and Bluetooth version 5.0, which is good. On the side you can see it's written as push the limits, and on the other side you can see it's mentioned as engineered and made in India. On the back there are certain features which are mentioned here, which I would like to read it out. The first is super solid bass with the powerful drivers, premium built with metallic grille, pair 2 Roam speakers for double sound, probably it's talking about the TWS features, portable and easy to carry, definitely it is, it's a portable device, water and dust proof, 24 hours playtime with medium volume, and 2000 mAh of battery life, and it's being proudly mentioned here as made in India. Also guys, it comes with an 1 year of limited warranty, which is again an welcoming features. So guys, I think all in all this is what you can all see it in the packaging, and let's move inside and see what is there. As we move in, we can see the first thing which is mentioned here as push the limits, and as we go in further we can see the warranty registration and the process of doing so, and there are certain numbers and the WhatsApp number which has been mentioned here, and the instruction you have to follow to claim for the warranty registration. And once we go in, we can see this one kind of an envelope, and it has been mentioned here as the craftsman note. Now what it basically says is that as good is the enemy of great and sufficient is the enemy of brilliant. We are the enemies of limits. We laugh at limits, and we wanted to make a product that looked straight into the eyes of all its competitors and laughed at them. So basically this is what the craftsman note talk about, and below that it's written here, the most travel friendly speaker Roam 2. Also guys, I can see there is a kind of a note by the co-founder Vishwanath and Midula, as you can see it here, and it says welcome to the crew. And inside we see the various brochure and the manual or the instruction guide which will help you in understanding how to pair this device and what are the functions are available in this device. So let's keep this aside and let's see about how the speaker is. Also guys, you can get to see inside the aux cable which is given here, and also you can find a micro USB cable which you can probably use it to charge this device. Now if I talk about the contents of the device, as you can see here, you can see the speaker here, there is a manual which is given here, and there is one micro USB cable along with the aux cable which comes along with the box. So guys, here is the Mivi Roam 2 device which is in front of the screen now. Now the first look and feel of this device is that this is a very compact device, and you can see the Mivi branding in the front and back of the speaker. Also guys, you can see that there is a strap which has been given on the one side, which is basically a lanyard, and you can use it to hang it, and the other side you can see the ports for the auxiliary cable and for the micro USB cable which you can use it here. Now the body looks like an aluminium body, but the sides of the device has a rubberized material kind of in touch. And on the top of the device you can see the various functions of this device, like the play button, the power on button, and also there is an LED indicator in this device. And along with it, it has the volume up and down button which you can control this device with. Few of the features that I would like to highlight here is that the audio speaker has got an output of 5 watts. The battery comes with 2000 mAh, which is really good. The charging time for full charge, it takes 3 to 4 hours of time with a play time of 24 hours with a mid volume which is being claimed by the company. The Bluetooth connectivity has a 5.0 version, and the operating range or the Bluetooth range you can say is about 10 meters. It has also got a built-in mic for hands-free calling, and also guys, it has got a very easy responsive controls. The body has got an aircraft grade aluminum body, and the product weighs only 204 grams. And overall it is a waterproof, dustproof and a drop proof product which is being launched by Mivi. This is a very compact and handy and has a rubberized body feel. Guys, I have connected the device with my phone, as you can see it here, and the pairing function was really easy. Now there are a few of the sound samples that you can listen to, and my first impression is that the sound quality is really good and the bass of this device also good. This is a very compact device, and the sound wise I'll give it 10 on 10 points in fact. So here are the samples. So guys, if I have to conclude this video and if I have to conclude about the product, I think this is a wonderful piece of art because it comes at the price of ₹1000 and the sound quality is really nice. It has got a good bass, and with this compact speaker you can carry this around anywhere you like. Also, this compact speaker has a very good connectivity, and one thing I must say that it has got a very good build quality too. So all in all, I think this is a good package of a Bluetooth speaker which you guys should definitely look out for if you have a budget of ₹1000 and if you are looking out for a Bluetooth speaker in the market. So guys, I hope you liked my video, and do comment and subscribe and like to my channel Lifestyle Tech. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.